Hi everyone, I'm stopping by today to share an unboxing of MFT Stamps' new Cats and Plants card kit. So it comes chock full of goodies so that you can make some great little scene cards featuring little house cats and house plants and in a room, by a window, you name it, you can do it with this kit. So to start, let's take a look at, this is the free die that comes with the kit. This is called the Cats and Plants Purchase die. So you can see they're like little tables, little house plant stands, maybe even a little stool, and you can use those to make some great scenes with the other items in the kit. And now reaching into the main kit, we have our first stamp set, and this is the House Cats stamp set, and it has two little cats, one with some little eyeglasses on, and some great sayings like "from me to Mew." And then it also says "congrats on your Mew edition." So lots of different occasions you can use those sentiments for. This is the house plants die that comes with the kit. You can make lots of different house plants using that die. And then this is the window dressing die. You see there are little curtains, a curtain rod, and then a little window frame as well to help you make some great little scenes with this kit. And then this is the House Cats exclusive stamp set. I think one is the House Cats stamp set, one is the exclusive stamp set. I'm not sure which is which. But this one has lots of different little cats in all kinds of poses and lots more sayings. We also get this patterned paper pack that has 24 sheets and 12 different designs of wallpaper patterns. So again, this is really, really great to help build scenes. So we have some gray bricks, we have red bricks, we have some nice turquoise pattern wallpaper, some gray wallpaper. Then I love that yellow and white like chevron, those stripes as well. And they're all in the color theme of the kit, which we'll see more when we go through the pattern paper that's not the pattern paper, the cardstock that's included in the kit in a second. So just showing you all the different designs that come in the paper pattern pack. And we can set that aside and then move on finally to our cardstock. So you get a lot of cardstock in this kit. So there are 5 sheets of smooth white cardstock. There is also, I guess before we get to the cardstock, let's take a look at the inspiration page. And now we can move on to the cardstock. So like I said, we have 5 sheets of this smooth white cardstock. And then we have 1 each of Moroccan spice, candied yam, butterscotch, sour apple, jalapeno pepper, Caribbean sea, cement gray, and then finally Eiffel Tower. And that is it. So those are the items that comes in this kit. As you can see, it's really great for scene building. You've got lots of dies, lots of great stamps, tons of cardstock, and then that paper pack to also help you build scenes. So I am going to get to work and make some cards, and I will see you again soon in another video. Have a great day, everyone.